Most homeowners wait until their first $500 summer electric bill to start thinking about going solar. Here's what usually happens. The weather gets hot, air conditioning runs nonstop, delivery charges climb, and then the bill hits. That's when solar finally moves to the top of the to-do list. But solar doesn't turn on overnight, and that delay is what could cost you the most. Peak production reality. Solar panel output increases during months with longer daylight hours and stronger solar intensity. In New York, May to August are typically your strongest production months of the year. During winter, shorter days and lower sun angles reduce overall output. That means that your solar system can produce significantly more energy in late spring and early summer than in January or February. And here's why that matters. Your first year of solar sets the tone. If your system isn't operational before peak season begins, you don't just miss out on lower utility bills. You miss your highest production window of the entire year. Why summer production is more valuable. Summer isn't just when solar produces more. It's when you use more electricity. When the weather is hot, air conditioning is one of the largest drivers of residential energy. So the power that your system offsets in the summer is often when your bill is at the highest. Because electric bills are usage-based, higher consumption means higher costs. Missing early summer production means missing savings when your electricity costs the most. Solar doesn't activate the day that you sign a contract. There are permits, utility approvals, inspections, and final permission to operate. Most of this process is handled behind the scenes by your solar provider, but it still takes time. At Mpower Solar, we're proud to complete most installations in less than 30 days from start to finish. However, in New York, even after installation is complete, the utility must grant final approval before the system can officially be turned on. That approval can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, and sometimes longer during peak season. So while the process may feel simple from your perspective, the timeline still matters. If you wait until summer to begin, you may not be producing until late summer. Spring is one of the best times to install solar panels. Spring gives you a strategic advantage. Mild weather allows installation crews to work efficiently, without extreme heat or freezing temperatures. This often means smoother scheduling and fewer weather-related delays. It also benefits you as the homeowner. During installation, parts of your electrical system may need to be upgraded, adjusted, or temporarily powered down. Doing this work in moderate weather is far more comfortable than during peak summer heat or winter cold. Roof repairs. This winter brought significant snowfall and repeated freeze-thaw cycles. That kind of weather can expose or create roofing issues like worn or lifted shingles, minor leaks or water intrusion, loose materials around vents or chimneys, small problem areas around roof penetrations. And many homeowners don't even realize that those issues are there until much later. With us, those sorts of issues don't have to stop you. We include roof repairs with every installation at no additional cost, helping prevent delays and avoiding additional contractor coordination. Catching and resolving minor winter-related issues early, especially in spring, can make the entire installation process smoother. So the real reason that your home needs solar before summer isn't just about the sunshine. It's about capturing peak production months, offsetting peak seasonal usage, avoiding installation bottlenecks, making sure your roof is ready. The best time to install solar panels isn't when your summer bill shocks you. It's before it does. Are you thinking about going solar this spring or just starting to explore it? Let me know in the comments. See you next time.